It's been an amazing journey within my company. I've had the opportunity to travel the world. I've had 2 international assignments, and I think every time you go out there and do something new, you learn about new things and it opens up new opportunities. And that's why I think it's so important for us to not be afraid to go out there and explore, because you don't know what the future may hold. My most recent assignment, I just repatriated 2 years ago from Shanghai, China. And I always had China on my career development plan. I always said, hey, I hear a lot about China. I don't know anything about it, but I feel like I need to have that experience to be competitive in the future. So I always had it on my career development plan. There never really was an opportunity for me to interview for a job in China. I actually interviewed for a role in Brazil, product development, quality, regional director role for Brazil. And I did have help from a sponsor, and I was selected for that role. Unfortunately, that region started going through some restructuring, and then I got the call and it said, well, even though we feel like you were a very strong candidate for the role in Brazil, we would like someone local because of the restructuring and with the language and a lot of turmoil that's going on, and we would like to offer you an opportunity in China instead. And because I took the role in China, that then opened up the doors for me to have the role I have today, which is the Global Manufacturing Chief Engineer, because we build a lot of our global programs over there as well and sell them in that market. And because I had lived there and had that experience there, it then allowed me to have the job I have today. I think there's a lot of change happening. Even within my company, there's more and more women that are visible in leadership roles. We have more diverse teams and interaction, and I think that diversity drives growth. And so I'm really excited as well within the automotive industry. I think there's a shift towards mobility, autonomous, electrification, so it's a really exciting time to be in automotive. You got to ask for what you want, right? And don't underestimate your value. The worst thing that can happen is nothing, right? You get some feedback, and I always view feedback as a gift. And I don't know why we sometimes are afraid to take risks and just go after things we want to do in our career. I'm glad to be home, but I'm somewhat of a nomad, so I tend to move every 2 to 3 years because I'm in kind of a change agent. As soon as the butterflies are gone in my stomach, I'm ready to jump off the cliff and explore new things.